the girl. Where are you going?
Oh, how about you?
Tighten.
How about...
Tighten as a girl with his little skirt, his shirt. Save the drama for your mama. And his hair in a ponytail, I guess you could say. Isn't he pretty? Tighten, you feel pretty?
Yes, I do.
Oh, I take you to go outside. Don't you? No. This thing's so pretty. Let's see you look at your headband. Just needs a little stubby tail. Needs a little stub for tail. Go.
Hi, pretty girl. Ah, that's such a pretty dress. Come here. Give me a hug. Hey, come here. Hi. Come here. Hi. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, you're pretty.
You're a pretty girl. Strut, pose. Ain't you cute? He got purple skinny jeans. Purple skinny jeans. Yeah, they're not so skinny on them. Skinny on people though. Nice belt. Let's put that hoodie on.
Oh my gosh, man, I have an idea.
Ready? Tie in! Tie in! Tie in! This is hoodie. Hi. Tighten! You forgot to put some clothes on the sun. Yep. Look at his stubby little tail. Hey, you go outside? You go outside?
Yeah, she'd love to go outside and stay on the neighbor doggy.
Look at his stubby little tail.
What should be saying that thing?
Just saying, Titan is a boy.
Yes, yes.
Titan is a boy. Titan! Let's fix this strap for you. Puppy Rafa,
What?
can you please lift him up?
Yeah.
I will take your face.
I can cover my face. Except you must see my cool shirt first.
See?
Okay.
Dance. Same dance.
Wait, we have to go on the run.
Come on, Titan! Oh, stop!
Ooh, you're tripping like crazy.
Nothing much. Come on, Titan. Come on, get a treat. Get a treat. Cheese. Jump, Titan, jump! Jump! Jump, Titan, jump! Oh, man. Go get it. Go get it, Titan, go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
No, Chloe's room is messing him up.
Oh, that's perfect. Give him up, give him up. Thank you, little fly.